Introducing GarageIt, a Wi-Fi connected smart garage door controller. It works with your existing garage door opener, bringing daily convenience and peace of mind by allowing you to open and close your garage door anytime from anywhere. Convenient proactive alerts notify you anytime you forget to close your garage door. And everyone in your family can use their smartphone for easy access. GarageIt installs in minutes and requires no maintenance. Just connect a couple of wires to your existing garage door opener, apply the unit using the included adhesive pads, plug it in, and attach the reflector to your garage door.
Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors? You need a smart lock. Introducing UltraLock UL3 BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. UltraLock is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in UltraLock app through Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. UltraLock's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. UltraLock integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. UltraLock is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. UltraLock. Simplify your safety.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
Amazing gadgets, upcoming technologies, incredible inventions, all related to new technology available to us today on Future Dope. Subscribe, you won't regret it. The link is below in the description, along with the links to all the cool stuff in this video.